Welcome to this video where we are going to show you an ad hoc test of how our Firebreather Eaves Vent operates under a direct impact fire scenario. Please note that this test is for demonstration purposes only. For real-world applications, always consult a qualified professional to ensure proper installation and safety compliance. To conduct this demonstration, we've constructed a small ad hoc rig simulating an Eave. It's made of wood, windproof fiber cloth, and drywall boards. Now let's hand it over to Bengt Are, who will walk you through our setup and explain how to install the Firebreather Eaves Vent.
Hallo, jeg heter Bengt Are og jobber i Securo. I dag skal jeg vise hvor enkelt det er å montere takfontventil i et takutstikk. Her har vi faktisk simulert to måter å bygge takutstikk på. Det er jo den tradisjonelle måten hvor du har en luftespalte for lufting ut imot kald luft. Mens på den siden her så har vi lagt panelene tett i tett og gips oppom igjen. Og så har vi skjært ut en utsparing på 152 og 118 mm. Så nå skal vi så enkelt å montere. Takfotventilene kommer i en eske her. Man åpner opp, og da vil man finne et plastikkbelagt stoff over takfotventilen. Man river til den før man monterer den. Sånn, da har man tatt av plastikken, og da kan man bare montere den. Og da putter man den enkelt bare oppi utsparingen. Så viser jeg her. Og setter i førskruen. Der var siste skru montert, og da er man ferdig, og man har fått brannsikret rafta si.
With the vent now fully installed on one side of the Eave, we've prepared a comparison. As it ignites very quickly, we use dry leaves and a cotton swab on the unexposed side of the Eave in order to compare the differences between the two sides after the rig is set on fire. After sealing the rig with fiber cloth and drywall boards, we're ready to ignite it. Next, Bengt will discuss the type of fuel we'll use to create the fire beneath the Eave.
Nå skal jeg blande brenselsoppskriften vår. Så da tror jeg vi skal begynne med diesel. Bensin skal vi begynne med da. Så tar vi et forhold hvor det er mer diesel enn bensin. Dieselet gjør at det brenner, mens bensin blir det som setter i gang og får fart på energien. Så tror jeg vi tar en blanding hvor jeg bruker cirka 60 dl bensin. Nei, 6 dl bensin. Og 1 liter diesel. En liter. Så der, da har vi blandingen. Da er bare løftet på plass. Der. Ønsker å få væska til å ligge jevnt, så at det ikke blir noen skjevfordeling på hvor det er mest flammer. Så da bruker vi et vater. Da tror jeg gjør sånn cirka bare sånn her. Det ser veldig bra ut her da.
Now we are ready to light it on fire. Since we are using a stainless steel mesh on the side that hasn't got the Firebreather Eaves Vent installed, we are actually getting some direct flame resistance for approximately 30 seconds. After that, you'll notice the flames peeking through. On the left-hand side, where the vent is installed, there are no flames at all. This is because the stainless steel mesh prevents flames and hot gases from entering the construction immediately after being exposed to open flames. In combination with the intumescent that is expanding, this creates the simple yet extremely effective Firebreather technology. No activation of electrical or moving parts are needed, just instant fire resistance from the first second. As the intumescent activates, you'll notice cold smoke escaping. This smoke is of course cold, as the name implies, and won't ignite the cotton swab or the leaves. In contrast, on the unprotected side, the fire has already entered the construction and burned off the windproof fiber cloth. If this were a real fire, the flames would quickly spread, making it nearly impossible to control. Because we are using drywalls, though, the fire is somewhat controlled. On the left-hand side where the Firebreather Eaves Vent is installed, the situation is totally different. The intumescent has now fully expanded inside of the Eaves Vent, and it is officially capable of withstanding the fire for up to 30 minutes, as it has an EI30 rating. This crucial time allows for evacuation and gives firefighters a chance to respond. As the fire intensifies, we're wrapping up the test to avoid losing the entire rig. It goes without saying, but I say it either way. Never try to replicate this at home. These guys are professionals and know what they are doing. Looking at the two sides, we clearly see the differences. On the unprotected side, we see total burnout, with significant fire damage. On the protected side, the construction remains intact, with only minor soot marks. The cotton swab and leaves are also untouched, even with fire raging just centimeters below. On the underside, we can see that the progression of the fire has gone further, and that the wood is more burned on the unprotected side. On the protected side, the Firebreather Eaves Vent has successfully slowed the fire down. The only evidence of a fire remaining is small parts of the intumescent peeking out of the steel mesh, indicating that the vent is fully sealed off. If you want to learn more about our Firebreather Eaves Vent or the rest of our fire-stopping products, please visit our website. You will find everything you'll need in the description. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a comment and give us a like, as this will stoke our fire to create more content like this, pun intended. Until next time, stay safe.